Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be opening up my FabFitFun box for the season of fall. And I am an annual member, so I did get to select everything inside the box. And if you do get FabFitFun and you do feel as though that you like it, I do recommend getting the annual just because it's like you get a whole box for free. So you're saving about $50 a year, which is a pretty good amount of money, I think. So when you get the box, it's pretty large. This is what it looks like. And you open it up, and this is first impressions of the box. I'm just going to bring it down here. It's just so big. And on top, it looks like they give you a magazine, which is really nice. And it has all the products and stuff inside of there from the season. I do believe that's what's inside. Yes. And then also they give you a little coupon in here. Looks like it's only good for one person, but I'll go ahead and put it up. So if someone wants to use it, you're more than welcome to. It's $15 off of your first box. Okay, and inside it looks like we have more flyers. This one is for HelloFresh meal kit, which I have tried in the past. Okay. And I know what's in here, but I think it would be more fun if I kind of make it like a surprise to see what's inside. To see and not know what I'm pulling out. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out looks like a cosmetic sponge. And it's by Makeup Drop. And I was interested in this just because I don't really have any that has this silicone piece on it, and I've always been interested to try it and see if I like it. The sponge does feel nice. It's pretty dense. And here is that little silicone thing that I was talking about. I am excited to try this. I'm always wanting to try new tools for my makeup. And next up from Perlice is Pumpkin Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. And it gently exfoliates pores, clarifies, brightens, exfoliates, and purifies. It's for oily and normal and even sensitive skin. And this definitely goes with the fall season, so that makes me happy. And they had the leaves on the box for the fall, and then we got the pumpkin in here. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready to bring out my boots already. Let's just get this open because I just want to get a sniff of this because it's supposed to be pumpkin. It is sealed, but I'm definitely going to just open it. It does smell like pumpkins. It smells just like a pumpkin pie. So there is the Perlice. I am looking forward to trying that out. Next up is from Coach, and this was one of the main reasons I was really excited to get this box this month because I love Coach. I have Coach glasses that I normally wear when I'm not filming. I don't wear my glasses typically when I film just because of the glare with the lights. It's just too much and you can't really see my eyes. Okay. It comes in bubble wrap. Let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a good look at them. And it comes, of course, with the official Coach little booklet here. And yes, these are absolutely stunning. And that's what those look like. Okay, just give me a second. I'm gonna go try on this necklace real quick. I'm just super excited for it. And this is what it looks like on. Just a very elegant piece. And I don't know if I'm more excited about like how elegant and beautiful this stuff is, or the fact that me and my best friend both have matching ones right now. She just ordered it too in her FabFitFun box, so we're going to be having matching earrings and necklaces. So that makes me like a little kid excited inside. Okay, next up is this little package here, and I'm not really sure what it is yet, so let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. Interesting. It says Heineken, alcohol free. What? They threw in a little can of alcohol free Heineken. How neat is that? And that's actually perfect for me. Like if I'm really craving a beer, I can drink this because I can't drink alcohol because of my medications that I'm on. So that was a really thoughtful gift that they just threw in there. And it's good until next year, so I have a whole year to decide if I'm ready to try it or not yet. So that's nice. They threw in a little gift in there. Okay, and then I chose this Beauty Papier. It looks like some of it's spilled in the bag, but that's okay because that's why they put it in the bag, and it still looks pretty full to me, so I'm not going to complain about it because it just seems like a silly reason to complain. But it's a Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. Let's go ahead and get it out of here. I imagine I'm going to have to go wash my hands after this because I already tell some of it is on the outside of the bottle. Just a little bit. But I can smell it, and it smells really good. Almost like a sweet honey floral smell. It just smells so wonderful. And I'm all for shower gels. Okay, it has pumpkin, oregon, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. Man, I was way off of what I thought was in that, but it smells really good. Haley, can you please put that in the shower for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Then the next thing I'm pulling out here is another shower gel. This is actually a body cleanser, and it's from Coors, which I have heard of this brand before, but I haven't tried it yet, and it's in Santorini grape. I'm going to open this up too and smell it just because, I mean, I go through shower gels so quickly. I know I won't have an issue using this. It does smell like white grapes. It smells so good. I love that. And next up is this little like mix between, I want to say, a fanny pack and a really nice bag, like a purse. Let me open it up and show it to you because it definitely looks like a purse, but it straps around your waist like a fanny pack. So that's why I got it, because it's just a little bit more elegant way to carry your stuff around. And it's great for if you decide to go with the family to like a water park or the zoo or anything like that. So this is what the bag itself looks like, and it has a little zipper on the top, and it also has in the back, which I like. I would want to put my money and stuff back here up against my body. I would just feel more secure with it there. But here is this, and they came in 2 different sizes. So they had regular up to a certain size, and they also have plus available, which I think was really nice, so that they could have a variety of it for every person, every shape and every size. And my last thing in here, I got my husband excited for, because him and I are trying to put things in more organized containers instead of, you know, we still have stuff neatly laid out, but it just looks nicer when it's in a storage container. So here is the Uncommon Janes, and these are little canisters for like sugar and flour, which I don't have any of those right now. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Rose gold all the way around. It's got a nice wooden lid on it, and then inside, let's see if it, okay, it unscrews. I was thinking it would like pop off. is a little mini one of it for something smaller to put inside. It's almost like opening up a little Russian doll. But yes, these are very nice. I'm glad I picked these out. These actually feel really heavy duty. I was kind of worried they would feel cheapish, but they don't at all. They're very nice they're very nice canisters. Well, that's everything I had in my FabFitFun box. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.